Today, we are talking about the 5 most common mistakes beginner graphic designers make that can make their work look amateurish. And trust me, the last point is going to elevate your graphic design skills from amateur to professional. So make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss any step. If you want to avoid these mistakes and create more professional design, stick around. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Mistake number 1 is overusing fonts. A lot of beginners think that using a variety of fonts will make their design more interesting. But in reality, it often leads to cluttered and unprofessional look. Let's take a look at an example. In this design, you can see multiple fonts being used: serif, sans serif, script, and even some decorative fonts. It's overwhelming and hard to read. Instead, stick to 2 or 3 fonts that complement each other. This will create a cohesive and balanced design. For instance, you could use a bold sans serif font for headlines and a clean serif for body text. Mistake number 2 is ignoring visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchy is all about guiding the viewer's eye to the most important elements first. Without it, your design can look chaotic and confusing. In this example, everything looks the same in terms of size and weight. There is no clear focal point, making it harder to know where to look first. To fix this, use size, color, and spacing to create a hierarchy. Make your headlines larger and bolder. Use contrasting colors for emphasis, and ensure there is enough white space to separate different elements. Mistake number 3 is poor color choices. Color is a powerful tool in design, but using too many colors or clashing colors can make your work look unprofessional. Here we have a design with colors that clash and don't harmonize. It's jarring and unappealing. Instead, stick to a limited color palette. Use tools like Adobe Color or Coolers to find complementary colors that work well together. And remember, sometimes less is more. Mistake number 4 is ignoring alignment. Proper alignment creates order and structure in your design. Misaligned elements can make your work look messy and unprofessional. In this design, nothing is aligned properly. Text boxes, images, and shapes are all over the place. To fix this, use grids and guides to align your elements. Tools like Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop have built-in aligned features that make this easy. Mistake number 5. But before we talk about mistake number 5, I want you to support me to join the YouTube partnership program. To do that, it's quite simple. Please hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, like, and you can also share my videos as well. This will help me join the YouTube partnership program. Thank you. Mistake number 5, neglecting white space. White space or negative space is the empty space around your design elements. It helps to keep your design uncluttered and allows important elements to stand out. In this design, everything is cramped together with no breathing room. It feels congested and overwhelming. To improve this, give your element room to breathe. Don't be afraid of white space. It can make your design look more professional and easier to navigate. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips to help you avoid looking like an amateur. Tip number 1. Proofread your text. Spelling and grammar mistakes can undermine your professionalism. So before you send your final work to your client, make sure to check grammatical errors before you send your final work. Tip number 2. Use high quality images. Avoid pixelated or low resolution images. Invest in good stock photos or take your own. Tip number 3. Stay consistent. Consistency in your design elements like color, fonts, and style helps to create a cohesive look. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, everyone makes mistakes whenever they start out. But by being aware of these common mistakes, you can improve your design and present yourself as a professional. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or topic you would like me to cover, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more graphic design tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.